Hello everyone, my name is Akshat and continuing with hashtag DrGViswanathan's challenge, question number 33, merge intervals. In this question, you are given so many intervals and you just need to merge the overlapping interval and return the array of final intervals. So this is a small code which I have written. In this code, you just first need to create an integer array, basically array list, and inside this you have an integer array containing two numbers anyways. Then it's using sorting, then a small for loop, and finally returning the answer. And this is the time complexity and space complexity which I got, according to which is like kind of a decent, but definitely there is a place to improve. But actually, you know what, after seeing the majority solution is the same solution actually. So like approach is correct and that's enough for me. So thank you for watching the video, and I will post more videos.